Yeah, we did it. Yes. Wow, that's great. We did it. Woohoo, more than 5,000. Wow, that was cool. Hey, what's up? How are you feeling? Good? Well, you're about to feel even better. Let's be honest, I know you want to increase your savings and learn how to do it quickly without 10-hour workdays, a grumpy boss breathing down your neck, and the routine you're sick of. I've got great news for you. You're in the right place. My name is Simon, I'm a professional trader with over 8 years of experience, and I know exactly what works and what's a complete waste of time. During my career, I had the opportunity to work at Warren Buffett's company, Berkshire Hathaway. I was also named one of the top traders under 30 in 2024. I bought a brand new Lamborghini and a 3 million country house, but most importantly, I know how to help you start getting returns, even if you've never traded before and a total beginner. In this video, I'm gonna show you my simple and straightforward trading strategy, which allows even beginners to generate income with minimal effort. All you need is 10 minutes a day and the willingness to take that first step. Are you ready to leave your doubts behind and finally start generating income? Then watch this video until the end and take action today. Let's go. By the way, I break down every key setting of my most proven trading strategies on my Telegram channel. Every detail, step by step. There you'll find not just theory, but my exact explanations of how these strategies, which I've refined over years, actually work. And that's not all. The real present for my 16,000 subscribers is the daily live sessions. I trade in real time, share live notifications, and everyone following me just copies my trades and gets the same results. Just yesterday, for example, my subscribers collectively made nearly 380,000. And yes, this is perfect for beginners. For many, this is not just a way to get benefits. It's an opportunity to turn things around. They pay for education, travel, help their families, and most importantly, start living the way they've always dreamed. And you know what? You can join right now absolutely for free. But opportunities like these don't last forever, so don't waste time. Click the first link in the description or in the pinned comment and take this path today. Your time to take action is now. It's time to get ready for a trading session. Right now, I'm gonna walk you through one of my strategies that works for both beginners and experienced traders. I'm starting with just 10. Let's see how much I can make by the end of this session. So you can see my balance is only 10. I withdrew all my savings on purpose to show you the final result clearly. Now let's do a quick setup. Trade time 1 minute. Trade amount 10. Candlestick time frame 30 seconds. We're selecting 6 pairs, my favorite: Australian dollar and Canadian dollar, Australian dollar and Swiss franc, Bahraini dinar and Chinese yuan, Euro and Swiss franc, Euro and Japanese yen, and Australian dollar and United States dollar. Now let's get to the most exciting part, indicators. For this strategy, we'll use 2 indicators, stochastic oscillator and zigzag. Stochastic helps identify market dominance, whether bulls, the buyers, or bears, the sellers, are in control. If stochastic is above 80, the asset is overbought, meaning the price will likely to go down soon. If stochastic is below 20, the asset is oversold, meaning the price is likely to rise. Second indicator, zigzag, connects the highest and lowest price points. If the chart crosses itself, it shows a trend change. Zigzag helps filter out minor price movements so we can focus on the bigger trends. The combination of these 2 indicators allows us to analyze price movements and find the perfect trade entry point. Now I'll show you how to use them in real time. Euro and Swiss franc. The price reached a peak and started a downward movement with a small correction, which we'll take advantage of. On the stochastic indicator, the blue line crosses the orange line from top to bottom, confirming a downtrend, so we open a lower, pressing the red button. The overall downtrend continued, the trade closed successfully, not a bad start. Switching to the Australian dollar and Canadian dollar currency pair. On the chart, we see a strong uptrend with a slight correction. The stochastic is below the 20 level, meaning the asset is oversold and is starting to reverse. The blue line crosses the orange one from bottom to top. We open a higher. The indicators worked perfectly, showing the perfect trade entry point. Let's keep going. Now let's move on to the third trade. We have Australian dollar and United States dollar. We can see that the price has tested the same level twice but failed to break it. The indicator shows that the price second peak was lower than the first one, indicating an upcoming downward reversal. The perfect point to open the lower is at the peak of the green bullish candlestick, and there it is. Perfect. The score went up again, and this is just the beginning. Euro and Swiss franc. Here we see a downward trend. We just need to catch a correction movement upward. The stochastic is bouncing off the lower level in the oversold zone and starting to reverse. And here it is, a red candlestick with a long lower wick. That's a sign of reversal, meaning we should open higher right now. Finally, we've hit the 100th mark, but we are not stopping here. Things are about to get even more interesting. Want to learn how to find the perfect trade entries and trade successfully? Then join my private Telegram community, where I break down all the key aspects of technical analysis in a simple, straightforward way. But here's the most important part. It's not just theory. Every day I host live trading sessions where I show how to apply this knowledge in real time. You'll see me trade live and you'll be able to apply the strategies yourself. This will help you grow as a trader and achieve your goals. And let me be clear, this is not some stupid training program. This is your opportunity to truly master trading without stress or difficulties. And right now, access to my channel is 100% free. But will it stay that way forever? That's up to you. Take the first step right now, click the link in the description or in the pinned comment, subscribe and join my channel. See you on Telegram. Let's start working together. Welcome to the team where over 16,000 people are already with me. Euro and Japanese yen. The trend has already reversed here. The zigzag indicator is showing a peak and stochastic is in the overbought zone, starting to turn around. The orange line crosses the blue line from top to bottom. We open a lower. Another trade followed by our scenario. Not bad, but I want more. Australian dollar and Swiss franc. The chart shows that the price tested the level twice but failed to break through and move higher. The stochastic indicator entered the overbought zone, making it ideal to open a lower trade near this resistance level. Let's enter the trade now, pressing lower. Perfect, that was a smart entry. Awesome, almost 485. We've picked up a great pace. Let's keep going. Bahraini dinar and Chinese yuan. Here we see how the price was moving sideways near the upper level, and as soon as it broke through the resistance, stochastic went beyond the upper boundary into the overbought zone. At the same time, the blue line of the indicator crosses the orange line from top to bottom. This shows the start of a downtrend, opening a lower option. Ooh, that was risky. That's exactly why I always tell you, stick to risk management so you don't lose everything by accident. But we increased the score again. Awesome, let's keep moving. Euro and Japanese yen. The stochastic indicator has been in the overbought zone for quite some time now. The second indicator zigzag has hit a maximum. Let's catch the highest point on the candlestick and open a lower option. Perfect, plus 1,787. Now, stay calm. Emotions are not your friend in trading. Take a deep breath And let's move forward. Look at what the Australian dollar and Swiss franc are offering. The price has reached a local minimum around 0.577. Stochastic has dropped below the 20 level into the oversold zone. This means the trend is likely to go up soon. And there it is. The blue line crosses the orange line from bottom to top, indicating the beginning of an uptrend. Waiting for the green high button. Another successful trade. Now we need to focus on the final trade to hit our goal. Euro and Japanese yen. During an uptrend, we see correction as the price dips slightly. Stochastic crosses the lower level and enters the oversold zone, starting to reverse. We press higher and wait. Mission accomplished. 5,730 from the last trade go to our score. Our total trading result for today is 6,164. I think this is a solid proof that our strategy works. Okay, let's be real. You just spent time watching this video and now you have two options. Exit this page, close this tab and continue living exactly as you did before, or finally take action on something that can truly turn things around for you. My Telegram channel is not just a chat, it's a community of people ready for change. There I share everything I know, trading notifications, live trading sessions, my strategies, and most importantly, real results. Over 16,000 people have already created a better future for themselves simply by copying my actions. And this is just the beginning. If you truly want to succeed, stop putting it off. Click the link in the description or in the pinned comment and subscribe to my channel. From this moment on, your life can be different. The choice is yours.